Look at my things. Isn't they neat? Wait, that ain't how it go. How it go? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything? What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl, Susie B, back again with another video. Bow today. Today we about to turn ourselves into a freaking mermaid. Know what I'm saying? Nah, for real. I don't know. I just looked at this wig that I hadn't worn in a long time, and I was like, hey, I want to be Ariel, but the modern day, bougie, urban Ariel. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I already have my base on, and I put white primer on my lid since we're going to be working with bright colors. I have an idea of what I want to do, but not like, y'all just gonna go on this journey with me, okay? So I'm gonna start off with pink in my inner corner. And I'm taking her up to my brow, blending her into my nose contour as well. And I'm just building that color and packing her on. Now I want to go in with orange. And the palette that I'm using is this Pinky Rose palette. It's Pinky Rose Cosmetics. The palette is Bright Lights. Now we're gonna take a red, and I'm using the matte book from Crayon Case. Don't know why I couldn't think of that. And I'm taking that on the outside. We're blending that into that orange. But we're also extending it up, outward. So now what we're gonna do is pack on some loose pigments to intensify the color. And I'm using the Glam Galore Club Glam Pigments. I will list the names of the Glam Pigments below. The same place we did that pink. You're gonna put it right over top. We're just using corresponding colors. So now I'm back in with this orange. Still a Glam pigment. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Okay, I'm gonna take this white liner and kind of do like a double wing. Now, listen. Nervous. Okay? That's me. I'm nervous. Okay, So now I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done. And I got a little bit more confidence about myself. Okay, I'm back. So I've done both eyes and I decided to go with a different color scheme on this eye. Oh my God, I love this eye. So much better than I like the other one. Family. I like this one so much better. Okay, now the fun part. We're gonna do the scales. So the scales part, you're just gonna use like this wig thing, this wig lace. Hey, listen, we got it in her eyes, okay? Because I don't have the one that stretch. Can y'all still understand? Okay, anyway, so I'm taking her here and I'll dip into that pink. Wait a minute. Oh, it is scaly. Damn. Wait till y'all see this stuff up close on a picture. It came out like scales. Okay. So that's like acting as my contour, okay? I'm gonna do the other side. Pretty. Look at my things. Isn't they neat? Wait, they ain't haggle. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm a girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos and something. I've got who's its and what's its galore. What about thingamabobs? I've got plenty, but who cares? No big deal. I need more. Keep my cash up below. Let me know. Okay, at this point, the video needs to be over because I'm losing more mind. All right, y'all. I just finished editing that video and oh my God. I don't know why y'all watch me. Something is wrong with me, okay? I appreciate y'all for watching that video. If you got through the whole thing, you is the real MVP because baby, it is weird. I do feel like there are certain things that me as a creative has to get out when it's in my brain. And I can't always focus on the numbers. I'd be so focused on the YouTube numbers, like, oh my God, my numbers, da-da-da-da. But like at this stage in my career, when I basically have no subscribers and no views really, I can afford to do some silly stuff every now and then when I want to. So that was me just getting it out. And if this video is a flop, my feelings not going to be hurt because it is very weird. But hey, I had fun. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, then you probably have to go search my name. And if you go search my name, you have to type in Brushwork by Susie Bougie. That's a lot. Brushwork by Susie Bougie, that's a lot of letters to type in. I'm trying to help you. Help me help you find me easier. Okay, thanks. Bye.